So, here I am with Mike this afternoon. Mike graciously said that he'd give me a hand to change the tyres on my bike. How you going, Mike?
Yeah, it's a bit hot, Juddy.
It's a bit warm, isn't
I'll
it?
have a beer soon, mate.
So that's my job, is to get cold beer, okay? No, actually, what do you want me to do, Mike? Like, you're straight into it, mate.
Got to get this journaling undone, mate.
Get this journaling undone?
Yeah.
Is there anything I can do to help?
No, it's all good.
Okay, so I can be like, what do you call moral support?
Maybe.
Mike's a good bloke. He's a postie, you know. Like, he's Australia's best postie. Okay, so anyone who's got him on their round is totally blessed.
Just keep your dogs in your yard.
Yeah, just keep your freaking dogs in your yards, okay?
Sick of being chased by them.
Oh, mate. It is really, it's the third most dangerous job in Australia, isn't it, Mike?
In 2 weeks, I had 4 dogs chase me on a certain run.
Far out.
And one of them I got onto the council and they've been in there and issued a fine to the people.
Fines. That's what we like. Big fines.
Yeah.
Keep your dogs in the yards.
Like a sucky.
When I was a young fella, it was nothing to change a tyre.
No, I know.
But now I'm old, I get this anxiety. I feel anxious about the whole process.
Really?
Yeah, but Mike seems to be taking it really well. He's the man. You know, I had spare tubes and I had...
Look at that.
Yeah, wow. Look at that, folks. Look at this bloke go. I had spare tubes and I bought these weights that you put on your spokes.
Oh, for your...
With an Allen key, yeah.
For wheel weight?
Yes.
Yeah.
But guess what? I didn't bring them.
Ah.
That's just silly, isn't it?
What, you were going to put them on today?
Well, yeah, I was going to balance the wheel.
How are we going to balance it?
I don't know. Do you balance your wheels?
I have. On my XR650 I did.
Yeah.
But I had to have something like a big bolt like that.
Yeah. And then
The device, and I just put the wheel on it.
Yep.
And just let it find its heavy spot.
Yep.
And put the weight opposite that, and just keep doing that.
Yep.
And I just put the stick-on one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're not going to worry about balancing today? Are we going to worry about balancing today, or is it...
You don't have the weights, do you?
No, I left them at home.
So we can't.
Oh, far out.
We can do another time. Yeah, this thing's great.
Look at this bloke go. He's like a machine, ladies and gentlemen.
As long as the beer's there, mate, I'm good.
As long as the beer's here, he's good. That's what we like to hear, isn't it, folks?
That's awesome. Well, happy with that. First time using it, it works great. And notice we're doing the worst one first, Juddy.
Yes.
The worst one's the back one.
Yeah.
Do that one first. So theoretically you could do the next part on there, but I like
You like to do it up there.
the clamps onto the bit.
There you go. The old bead breaker, ladies and gentlemen.
Happy with that.
Worked well.
Yeah.
Mike gives it a seal of approval.
Beer o'clock.
Beer o'clock. Do I need to go to the fridge?
Only if you are.
Yeah, I can go to the fridge.
Alright.
So what are we doing here, Mike?
Just a bit of lubrication to help it come off a bit easier.
A bit of lube.
Definitely need to put them on, but yeah.
It helps when you're taking the tyre off as well.
Yeah. Especially putting them on. Okay. Yeah, might need your help soon, Juddy.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. Got to be careful of not damaging the tube because we are using the tubes again, aren't we?
Yes.
And that's where a lot of people come on.
Yeah. And that was one thing I neglected to bring as well, mate, was a spare tube.
Oh, I've got some.
So I might be walking home.
No, I don't damage tubes.
Yes, but you would have 18-inch, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but you can still use them. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Did you know you can chuck a 21 in there if you have to?
Yeah. But it's not preferable, is it?
Oh no, but
It'll get you home. Well, I don't want to get home, mate. I want to get up the Cape. Okay, this knobby tyre is going to get me up the Cape, ladies and gentlemen.
I thought you were going in the Land Cruiser.
No, I'm going on the bike.
Oh really?
Surprise!
Are you really?
Yes.
When?
August, September.
I should come with you.
You should. Do you want to?
I'm on holidays then.
Are you?
Me and Josh were supposed to be going to Birdsville at one stage at your place.
Well, I did ask Josh if he was interested, and you're welcome to come too if you like, Mike. Look at this bloke go like a well-oiled machine. So how come you're putting air in the tube there, Mike?
Just to give it a bit of shape inside the tyre.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
Maybe a bit more.
So it hugs the tyre?
Yeah, with the valving.
Yep.
We'll just see how it goes. If it doesn't work, we can go to plan B.
If it doesn't work, we're going to plan B, aren't we?
Yep. Do you want to put it in? Here, I can see it, Juddy.
Far out, Mike. This is intriguing.
Right there.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Right there. Come on, that's through into that one, right?
Do you think it might be a Kawasaki thing, mate?
No.
Right.
No?
No?
Of course not.
Hopper. What's going on over there, Hopper? Are you different to the rest? Oh look, Mike's got a GoPro up there.
Oh yeah, I haven't even got it on. I should be doing the time lapse.
Mike should be doing a time lapse, shouldn't he? And if anybody wants to check out Mike's station, was it Mad Mike? No,
On your bike, Mike.
On Your Bike Mike. And he is a little bit mad at times, but yeah, he's got some great cinematic footage and good storylines.
Still learning, Juddy, like we all are.
Like we all are, eh, Mike?
Yeah. Alright, we'll do a bit of time lapse.
A little bit of a time lapse. This could take all afternoon. But Mike's quietly confident, I say.
Not there. It's so close. There's no phone. It's right there. I want to go in. Juddy. Alright, we're going to have to do it the other way, mate. Sorry, folks.
That's alright.
We'll work on the front one.
That's alright. These things happen.
Yeah.
We're going with the lube again.
Which is cleaning Hopper's room as well at the same time.
Yes, which is absolutely filthy, isn't it? So this bar stool, how long has this been your tyre changing implement, Mike?
About 5 years now.
5 years?
Yeah. Works well, it's better than beating down on the ground. Do you agree?
Yes, it is. And Mike's also known as Mr. XR. What is it?
XRSSV1.
Mr. XRSSV1.
You know what that meant? Back in the day, that's when I had my XR650L.
Yep.
And I had an SSV convoy.
Aha!
That's how I got it.
He's a real bogan, ladies and gentlemen.
Pass me a Winnie, Juddy.
I only smoke Marlboro. Anyhow, have a Winfield. Now that is totally politically incorrect, but I can get away with it because nobody smokes these days. Children don't even know what a Winfield is.
I haven't used this powder for so long.
Oh, nice.
You're getting all the love.
So is this the baking soda powder, is it? Or is this the one with aluminium in it?
Baby powder.
It's just baby powder?
Yeah, just to make
Yeah.
it easy to get the tube in there.
Don't you know they put aluminium in it?
Is that really why?
Yeah, to keep the little talky flakes apart.
Really?
Yeah, they put them on babies. Aluminium on your baby's soft new skin. Do you believe that? And petroleum jelly. Where do you think petroleum jelly comes from?
Petrol?
Yes. And look at Mike go. He's the man.
Well, not finished yet, Juddy, so
No?
you're getting there, but yeah. This is going to be tricky bit getting that damn valve in, as you know.
That damn valve.
Damn valve! Right. So, here's the hole around there. Yeah, this is the tricky bit, Juddy. How do you get that in there, Juddy? Oh my gosh, my phone's going crazy.
I think Hopper likes to make things a bit challenging.
No, he feels a bit naked over there. I don't know, Juddy.
You're right. Do you want me to get my hands in there, mate?
Maybe. That's why we do the back one first, mate. It's the worst.
Yeah. So the front one's just a cruise.
Oh look, it's right there.
There it is. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Look at this bloke go.
Go, Jote.
You ripper.
Just put that on enough so it doesn't pull back in.
Okay, so you don't put a torque wrench onto it? Not yet? Do you ever put a torque wrench onto it?
Hell no.
Hell no, ladies and gentlemen. You don't even tighten it, do you? You do it finger tight, don't you?
That's it.
Otherwise, it'll rip the valve out of your tube.
Right, Joe. Alright, Juddy.
Okay?
We're you ready to throw that on there.
Yeah?
Have a drink first, but.
Yes. A bit of liquid encouragement. So do we put a little bit of air in so we...
I will when I pop this on. We pump it right up to get the bead to pop out.
Okay. All right. I'm glad he knows what he's doing.
Get that straight first. So you make sure the valve, see how the valve is on an angle?
Yep.
Turn it so that the valve's nice and straight.
Yep.
And then start by the valve.
And then you work your magic.
Yeah, it should pop on easier, but we'll just have to go slowly to see what happens. This is where you want to be careful. We don't want to...
We don't want to pinch the tube, do we?
No.
So that's why I was wondering if you do put in just a little bit of air, just so it doesn't pinch.
I've never had it before. And this could be the problem too, because you're going this side and that's why it's popping out. So make sure it's down.
Yep.
It's not popping out, is it?
No.
Make sure that's right.
Yep. So do you think leaving the tyre out in the sun for a while was the go, Mike?
I don't really know. I've never done it before, but I've seen people say that helps. So.
Yep.
As you can see, we've got a bit of a quite right here. This.
So the last thing you'd want to do is get your finger stuck in there, wouldn't it? Or any other sort of impingement.
Yeah. It's very tight, Juddy. Isn't it?
Yep.
Definitely the right size, isn't it?
Yeah. 17-inch, mate.
Okay.
That last little bit of pop.
Can't get it in there.
There you go. Well done, Mike.
Now we... No valve, just pump it up.
Oh, yeah?
The valve pops out.
Nice.
Bead pops out.
Look at you go.
That's brilliant. I've had times I've had to put like 40 PSI in there
Yep.
to get them to pop out.
Well, it is a Kawasaki, mate. Like,
That's brilliant.
wow. Hopper's going to have knobbies on.
Jesus, look out.
Watch out, that's 690, mate. Hopper wants to be a 690 when he grows up. Did you know that?
Did you really?
Yeah, he wants to be orange. I'm like, mate, green is the go.
You don't go alright.
Yeah.
Although that bike it drops is bloody nice.
It is nice, but guess what? Your bike sucks, mate.
Good timing. What pressure do you want, Juddy?
36, mate.
Really?
That's okay. Well, I don't know. I've never run knobbies, so.
Oh, you can run about 25.
Really?
Yeah, even that's only 30. Digital is more accurate.
Okay. So is 36 too much?
Oh, well, I wouldn't go that wide.
Oh, well, what do you think I should? You're
25?
really?
Yeah, that's what I run.
Okay, well,
Well, no, we go where you want.
what's that say?
What do you think?
I can't read it, mate.
25.
There you go.
You want to run that or not?
Yeah, okay. Like, I don't want them to wear prematurely.
30.5, there you go.
Okay, we met in the middle. 30.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Right, Juddy, just for you and Hopper.
Oh,
You
really?
get a valve.
Are you sure?
It's part of it.
Part of the service.
Mate.
Thank you. Thanks, Mike. You're a champion, mate. Oh, wow. Look at this bloke go. He's got the old quick grips.
Next.
Next.
Look at that. Wow, Hopper. You
Hopstar.
Hopper.
You're not going to know yourself, mate.
Going for you, Hopper.
Oh, that's why I kept the gearing I've got, because of the higher profile tyre is virtually going to set you back a cog or two. A tooth.
Yeah.
A tooth on the front sprocket. Oh yeah. But what we do need is, now this is a very specialised tool, ladies and gentlemen. If you've got a KLR 650,
One of these?
look.
I had to buy that for my
Look.
T7.
Ah, you bought it. But guess what? Kawasaki have one. It's not that one.
That one, I've got a big one, Jay.
Don't steal my thunder. Don't steal my thunder. Seriously.
It's coming.
Look.
It's coming.
Look.
It's coming.
Look, but Kawasaki had the foresight. Look at this, ladies and... Oh, it is a bit loose.
Let's try the real thing. No, I don't.
Uh,
I don't.
Ooh, controversy. Controversy on the Kawasaki. Did you notice that I put adventure on my channel now? It's called the
No.
Kawasaki Adventure channel.
No, I haven't. What is that?
Let's see this bike.
That's for my bike.
That's for his bike.
I didn't buy that, just for my bike. That one.
Oh, fits beautiful.
But yeah, it doesn't fit yours.
Doesn't fit mine.
So,
But Kawasaki were kind enough to come out with...
okay, first of all, you got to have this one to undo the front bit, don't you?
Yes, you do.
That one.
But Kawasaki thought of that too.
Oh, really? Have you got one of them?
Well, everything is... Look,
Why do you keep stepping over
this toolkit is all you need for the whole bike.
Where does it all fit in there?
It all fits in there, mate.
That's the Kawasaki thing, is it?
That is the Kawasaki thing.
Well, I'm impressed, Juddy.
Yeah, me too.
Hopper, you're showing off.
Yes, he's a very fancy boy.
Like, got cup holders and...
Haven't got a cup holder yet.
Where's the ashtray?
Need a cup holder. Definitely.
No ashtray?
No ashtray.
Right. Part 2.
Part 2.
We only have to loosen these a bit. Just like that. That's all you need.
Bit like that.
It's a safety thing, which is great.
Yes, it is good, isn't it?
And now it's your turn for your special tool, Juddy.
For my special tool. Don't we have to get the nut off the other side?
No.
No!
Bolt straight there.
It's a bolt. It bolts in.